Hello everyone, this is Shad, and in today's video, I'm going to guide you through getting a free trial on Shopify and access to all Shopify brand features without the full subscription cost. This extended deal is going to last for 3 months. This is an amazing chance to start your online store. Before that, this video is sponsored by AppMaker, a brilliant Shopify app that turns your website into great mobile apps. Thanks to AppMaker, you can easily create native Android and iOS applications for your Shopify store. Shopify's $1 for 3 months is a special subscription plan that gives you access to Shopify's powerful e-commerce platform for just $1 or 20 rupees. It gives everything you need to start selling online, including your online store and all the features provided, along with 24/7 support. First, head to the description of this video. You will find the free trial link there. Clicking on it will take you straight to the Shopify trial page. Once you're on the Shopify page, you will see an offer for a 3-day free trial, followed by an incredible deal of just 20 rupees for 3 months. Start by entering your email and clicking Start Free Trial. Next, Shopify will ask for some basic information to set up your account. If you are selling from another platform or physical store, choose the second option. Otherwise, select Start from Scratch and hit Next. Now, decide where you want to sell. First, you are going to select an online store that will leave your account ready for you to design your own e-commerce website. If you click on an existing website or blog, Shopify will also enable a feature for you to add a buy button to another website or blog. If you wish to sell your products on platforms like eBay, Amazon or Google, then make sure to select online marketplaces and Shopify will add those features to your account so you can sync your store with multiple sales channels. If you are selling in person, like at our retail store, pop-up market, or any other physical location, make sure to also select the box. And if you plan on also syncing your store with Facebook and Instagram shops or any other social media platforms, make sure to also select this box and Shopify will have your account ready to sync with those channels. And no worries if you are not sure about this, you can edit everything later inside your Shopify dashboard. Let's click on the next. And here you are going to give a bit of information on what kind of products you are going to sell. The options are products I buy or make myself which are shipped by you, dropshipping products, print-on-demand products, digital products and services. If you still don't know what kind of products you are selling, you can select I'll decide later and move on to the next step. As example, I'll select print-on-demand products and drop shipping products. Choose your business location next. If you are running your business from home, use your home country. If you have a registered business entity, use that location. I'll choose India for this example. Now, create your Shopify ID. You can sign up using an email, Apple, Facebook or Google account. I'll use my email. Set your password and click on Create Shopify ID to access the Shopify dashboard. This free trial is only going to last for 3 days. If you want to extend this to 3 months, you will see this black window down here on the side which says switch to a paid plan and gets the first 3 months for $1 or 20 rupees. In my case, as my store is based in India, so what we have to do now is click on select a plan. Shopify will recommend a plan based on your earlier inputs. For beginners, the basic plan is usually sufficient. Select it and you will see that it's free for 3 days followed by a 20 rupees charge for 3 months. Review your plan. Here you can see for the next 3 days, this will be completely free and after the 3 days pass, you will be charged 20 rupees. You will then have 3 months to use Shopify almost free. Choose a monthly or yearly payment option and add your business address. Next, enter your payment method, which can be a credit card, debit card or UPI. Once you have entered your payment details, click subscribe. Congratulations, you now have full access to your Shopify's features for an incredibly low price for the next 3 months. Remember, the special $1 deal is available through the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.